Welcome to BA Pro. In this video, we are going to look at different software life cycles. Basically, there are four types of software life cycles. The first one is predictive life cycle. The second one is iterative life cycle. The third one is incremental life cycle. And the fourth one is agile life cycle. Let's see what is predictive life cycle and when it is useful or when to select predictive life cycle. In predictive life cycle, the first phase is analysis. Here all the requirements will be gathered and analyzed. After the analysis, the software architects will be involved to design the architecture. After the design, developers start to build the application. After developing the application, the testing team will test the application to certify. The last phase is the delivery, that is launching the application to real users. Here you can see all of the phases that are happening are only once. This life cycle is useful only when the requirements are fixed or changes are very low. Now let's see what is an iterative life cycle and when to select this life cycle. In this life cycle, only a few phases are iterative. The first and last phases, that is analysis and delivery, will not repeat, but other phases will. This life cycle also starts with requirements analysis. After the analysis, the design will be done with prototypes that will be analyzed and design will be adjusted based on the feedback. This will be repeated till accurate design is available. After the design phase, the application will be built and tested, and based on the defects and observations, the code will be refined and tested again till all the requirements are met. The last phase is the delivery, where application will be made available to the end users. This life cycle is useful when the requirements are dynamic, that is, changes are moderately high, but the expected final delivery is only one time. Let's see what is an incremental life cycle and when to select this life cycle. This life cycle is useful when the changes are high and customer wants quick deliveries and are okay with multiple deliveries. Here, out of all the requirements needed, team will take a few high priority requirements which can be grouped logically and business perspective. Those requirements only be analyzed, designed, developed, tested, and delivered. After the delivery, team will pick the next set of priority logically grouped requirements and repeat the same. Let's see what is an agile life cycle and when to select this life cycle. This life cycle is a combination of iterative and incremental. This will make sure team working on important stuff first and works on it multiple iterations till the right product or application or feature is built and delivers frequently. There are two types of agile life cycles. One is an iterative based agile where each time box is of same size. Example, 2 weeks always. The second one is a flow based agile. Here time box varies based on the features. So if team feels the feature will take 2 weeks, then the time box will be 2 weeks. If they feel that the feature might take 3 weeks, then the iteration will be of 3 weeks. Sometimes combination of life cycles can be used based on the types of requirements available. For the requirements which are solid, we can use predictive. For the dynamic requirements, we can use agile. This concludes software life cycle. Thanks for watching. Hope this is helpful. Please like, comment, and subscribe.